Hi, welcome back to Crypto News. I'm Chris, your host today. On this channel, we will not only keep you updated about the most important news in the crypto market, but also give you the careful analysis of crypto projects and trading opportunities. In today's videos, we will analyze the Chiliz token price chart and give you a recommendation on how to trade this token. Because now it's World Cup times and you know Chiliz is one of the most popular soccer related token in this crypto market. Let's jump in. I think first of all we should talk a little bit about Chiliz and Chiliz price, right? On CoinMarketCap, it reads that the Chiliz is the leading digital currency for sport and entertainment by eponymous multi-based fintech provider. It operates the blockchain-based sport entertainment platform Socials, which enable users to participate in governance of their favorite sport brand. Multiple fan tokens by Socials.com are an example of that. For sport clubs and associations, fan tokens offer a way of connecting with their fans and unlocking a new revenue streams. Here is the list of fan token issued by Chiliz on Socials.com platform. We have many fan tokens from well-known soccer club and national soccer club teams here. One of them you can see is ARG, is fan token of Argentina national soccer team. So, World Cup has just started and people expected Chiliz and fan token to increase in price due to the attention of people to soccer-related tokens. However, Chiliz price is actually plummeting due to overall negative market condition after FTX collapse. We know that many of you guys are either holding a Chiliz position or planning to jump into the token to profit from a long trade. So let us do some analysis of Chiliz price action and we will tell you exactly how we think is the best way to trade the Chiliz right now. So we can see that on the weekly time frame, we see that Chiliz had broken out of the bearish price channel here on the week of 15 August. Actually, this is the good side for Chiliz, but however, we see that right here we have a resistance zone from 0.2536 to 0.3315. That price hasn't been able to break through. Indeed, it's tested this resistance zone twice, here and in here. The second tested was quite recent. It was the week of November 7th. We can see the price couldn't break through this level and how strong this resistance level is. As right after the price increased to resistance level, it dropped down with this huge weekly bearish engulfing candle. We also see the bearish divergence with RSIs here. So on the daily time frame, we see that the price does not have a clear trend here. It is the sandwiches between these two channel lines. If you're holding a long position and already in profit, I would recommend you to take at least some profits here. But if you haven't taken any position, I think you should wait for the price to react to one of these support level and go long only if there's enough signal for enter a long position. You can see the support zone that I have identified here. The first one is between 0.17 to 0.18 and the second one is something around 0.16 and the last one is just down there about between 0.14 to 0.15. As you can see, the price broke through first support zone to test the price reaction. But I will not just buy when the price touches one of these zones because it's a strong downtrend and you know the price can easily break through this support zone. This first one, for example, especially when the Bitcoin is going down right now, I will go to lower time frame and I have to use additional tool to identify a good entry for long position. Every trader has its own tool set. For me, my favorite tool are moving average, RSI and MACD. I use MA10, 20, MA50, MA100 and MA200 with respective colors and you can see here. My second tool is RSI and the third one is MACD. All of these tools are basic and free. You can find them on TradingView. The setup that I'm waiting for is very simple. First, I will wait for the moving average to flatten out and converge together up. Like here you can see the MA50 flatten out and MA20 flatten out and then we see the convergence between the MA50, MA20 and MA10 to the upside. That's the first signal. The second signal that I will look for is a bullish crossover of MACD. What does it mean? It means that blue line, this or MACD line will cross above the signal line of the orange line. The cross will be better if both lines are trending up and heading toward the zero line like you can see here, because MACD crossing above zero is also the bullish signal. And the third signal is RSI value being above 50. So when all of these indicators light up on 1 hour time frames, especially after price have tested a strong support on daily or even weekly time frame and rebounds, we can be confident to enter a long trade. But no matter how confident we are, we must always have a stop loss in place and calculate our trading position size carefully, so that even if we are wrong, we only lost a small percentage on our trading account. Risk management is a very important topic in trading, but due to the time limit for this video, I will tell you in detail about risk management in another video. So, that's my plan for trading Chiliz token. On crypto news, we don't try to predict the future, but we do try to analyze the past and the present to give you the clearest picture of CHZ price action. And then we will review our recommendation on which setup you should find to maximize your chance of winning on the trade. I hope that it is useful and will supplement your Chiliz trading plan. Share your thought in the comment below and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the most updated news in crypto industry. See you in the next video. Goodbye.